Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this video I'm going to tell you how we can import the CSV file data inside this SQL Server database. Okay, as you can see here inside this SQL Server database we have one database that is called as the pizza, and if I'll expand this, here you can see we have options called as the table folder, right? So if I'll again expand it, here you can see we don't have any table inside this particular table folder. Okay, so now our task is we have to import this CSV file. Here you can see pizza underscore cells. This is a CSV file which contain total five columns. Okay, and if I'll click here you can see we are able to get total 9 number of rows. Okay, so now our task is we have to import this CSV file data inside this SQL Server database, and that is inside the table folder of this pizza database. Okay, so how we can import that? So for that, first of all you have to close this file that you have opened over here, otherwise you will get the error during the importing of this data inside this SQL Server. Okay, so first of all you have to close the source data. Got it? Then right click on this particular database wherever you want to insert the data, then go to the task, and here in the below part you can click on this import flat file. Why I am selecting this import flat file? Because our file is in the CSV format. So for that, if it is in the CSV format, here you have to select the import flat file. Okay, and if it is in the Excel or any other format, you can select this import data. Got it? So let me select this import flat file here, then go to the specify input file. So click on this browse tab, then go to the desktop, and inside this desktop we have a CSV file that is called as the pizza underscore cells. So just click over here, then click on open. Then here in the table schema options you can keep it as the DBO. Got it? Then minimize it little bit. Then in the below part you can see option called as the next. So just click on this next tab, and now here you can see these are all the data that is present inside that CSV file. Okay, and now here you can see these are all the column name, and here you can change the data type as per your need. Okay, so I want to keep the order ID as the int, so here you can select the int. Then in the pizza name ID section you can select the varchar. Okay, because that is in the text format, and you can change the size, that is 50 to 100 or any other number whatever you need. Okay, then order ID is the date format, then this is in the float section, and this is the pizza name. Here also you can change the data type to varchar, and you can change the text size to 100. Okay, if you give if you will keep it is 50, then sometime you can get the error because the pizza name character may be more than 50. That's why here you have to keep the number as per your need. Okay, then click on this next button, then again click on this finish tab, and here you can see we have successfully imported that CSV file data inside this pizza database. Okay, you will click here you can see the following task completed successfully inserted data. So just click on OK, then close the tab, then just go to the table folder and expand it, and here you can see we are not able to see the table that we have imported. So just right click on it, then click on this refresh tab, and this is the pizza underscore cells table that we have imported, right? So if you want to see the data what exactly inside this particular table, so just write the query as the select star from, then drag this table name and drop it over here, then give the semicolon, then run this query. Okay, so now as you can see here we have successfully imported that CSV file data into this SQL Server database. Alright.